have been a teacher for 5 years now, and I've been a lot of places already in 5 years because I'm really looking for my place. I wasn't finding education the way it should be done until I met Christine, until I came here.
We believe in public education, and I teach in a public university. I've volunteered hundreds of hours in my kids' public school, but sometimes there comes a storm that your kid can't weather anymore, and you have to put them on a life raft in any way that you can. And it was clear that Indi-ED was going to be that life raft for her.
Found this little school called Indi-ED and submitted an online request for more information, and then called the school the next day and had a conversation with the director, Christine. And I consider this conversation the lighthouse in the storm, because all of a sudden I had hope that there were options for my daughter. And we're a family that believes that classrooms don't necessarily have to have four walls. And all of a sudden, I found a kindred spirit in this conversation with Christine, because she showed me that your classroom was going to be in the community. Your classroom was going to be exploring places that we hadn't even visited ourselves, that your classroom was going to be in parks and all the cool stuff that you get to do now. And so we actually joined the Indi-ED family shortly thereafter, and honestly, it's the best possible decision that we could have made.
What I always say is you don't find Indi-ED by accident, and the students that are the right fit for this school are very motivated and they want to learn. And the projects that they're doing are really meaningful to them.
Families that come to us, they are all after the same thing that we are. They are looking for a village, a support group of families who are like-minded and all have the same intentions for our children.
And when I came and I saw this school that was teaching the kids about balance and teaching them about taking care of their whole selves, I realized this is everything that we want out of life for ourselves, but also for our child.
The just overall feeling and the encouragement that these kids receive, and their freedom to explore their interests and their freedom to create is astounding. It makes such a big difference.
I knew that this was the only place I could ever teach, because this particular school feeds what we need as far as creativity, people who can think critically and come up with innovative ideas, and have the freedom to do so. They get to practice all of the skills here in this building that you are going to use as an entrepreneur or in any business.
I think Indi-ED impacts the community because we're able to network with individuals and work with organizations. Instead of only being in the classroom, we go out into the community.
Indi-ED has given me the opportunity to gain skills from professionals that I would have never met otherwise.
We go on many experiences, and people that help us in those experiences, like at an aquarium or at Boyd Hill, the rangers are like really surprised of how we behave. We learn how to be responsible, and then they invite us to more experiences, and we get to earn more fun.
The way that they teach here is definitely impacts everything, and I've learned, like the quote that we had today with Benjamin Franklin, that involving everybody in hands-on experiences and in just so many different ways. Like there's something new every single day, and with those experiences is something that I can remember. And when I learn from things like that, I actually like interested in what we're learning about, and I remember, and I go home and I tell my parents.
Indi-ED allows me to collaborate and co-work with other teachers, not just in my single subject, but across subjects, across grade levels, and almost immediately. If we have an idea in class based on something that a student has mentioned or a curiosity that came up in conversation, I can immediately walk over to a coworker and say, hey, let's rearrange our schedules tomorrow and come up with a new lesson plan and collaborate together based on this one idea. And I've never had a collaboration like that at any place but Indi-ED.
As one of the older students, it's really nice to be a role model and help shape the little kids in their learning experience. Indi-ED's model allows me to create a community and pay it forward.
The thing I like about Indi-ED and what I noticed in work, and where it became personal for me, is work we were restructuring and finding out leaders, and there was a gap in the quality that our leaders have. And it was amazing to see the kids have those skills in Indi-ED. When we visited the first time to see about Layla coming in, I remember saying to Christine, "How did you find such a young teacher?" And she said, "Oh no, that's a student." I was like, "What? The students are teaching this?" And it was amazing. I was like, this is what the businesses need, kids like this. They need employees like this that know how to have the confidence to lead, to teach. And that's when, at least I knew, that Indi-ED was the place for our kids to go because of the future they have based on the start that they get in education.